In previous year, you learned about the indices and laws of indices. Let's recall them. You know that if I write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times, then it is expressed as 2 raised to 5. If the product of 2 is 5 times, then it is expressed as 2 raised to 5 or fifth power of 2. Here 2 is the base and 5 is the index. Or power. 2 raised to 5. How it is read? 2 raised to 5 or fifth power of 2. 2 is the base and 5 is the index or power. Here 2 raised to 5 is called the index form. 2 raised to 5 is index form. And this is product form. You learned about this in previous year in 7th standard. 2 into 2 is the product form and 2 raised to 5 is the index form. Now let's study about the laws of indices. If m and n are the integers, then first law of indices is a raised to m into a raised to n. Then a is equal to a raised to m plus n. When base are same, a raised to m and a raised to n, the bases are same, a, and here is multiplication between them, then the indices are added, a raised to m plus n. In this year we apply this application of laws of indices is carried out. For example, 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 2. The base is 3. Base is same. And in this multiplication is there. Therefore, index are added. 3 raised to 5 plus 2, we get 3 raised to 7. This is the first law of indices. Then, the second law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Base is same and there is division between them. Then indices are subtracted. The second index is subtracted from the first index, that is a raised to m minus n. For example, 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 9. Base is same, there is division between them, then we get 3 raised to 7 minus 9. Here, the second digit is greater than the first. Therefore, the subtraction is negative. That is 3 raised to minus 2. 7 minus 9 we get minus 2. Therefore, the answer is 3 raised to minus 2. This is the second law of indices. Then, third law, a into b in bracket a into b raised to m. We can write this as a raised to m into b raised to m. That is, indices are written separately. A raised to m into b raised to m. This is the third law. For example, 5 into 7. These are in the bracket and bracket raised to 2. Therefore, we write this as 5 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 2. Index write separately. 5 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 2. The next one, now in the next law, division A upon B, that is A divided by B raised to M. Division is same as multiplication. We can write the index M separately, that is A raised to M upon B raised to M. This is a simple one. Both third and fourth law same. Here is multiplication and here is division. For example, 5 upon 7 raised to 2. We can write this as 5 raised to 2 upon 7 raised to 2. Indices written separately. The next, when the indices are double, that is A raised to M raised to N. The power is double, M raised to N. Then carry out the multiplication between the indices. That is A raised to M into N. That is A raised to Mn. Product is carried out between these indices. For example, 3 raised to 4 raised to 5. Then we carry the multiplication between indices, that is 4 and 5. Therefore, we write 3 raised to 4 into 5 is equal to, we get 3 raised to 4 into 5, 3 raised to 20. The next, A raised to 0 is equal to 1. We get if there is power 0, then we get digit 1. Therefore, 10 raised to 0 is equal to 1. A raised to 1, that is the first power of every number is the same number, is equal to A. For example, 10 raised to 1, we get 10. If we take 100 raised to 1, we get 100. 3 raised to 1, we get 3. The first power of any number is the number itself. Here, the 0 power, we get digit 1. Answer 1. But there is power 1, then we get the same number. Next, A raised to minus M. If there is negative index, then we can write this as 1 upon A raised to M. We take 1 upon A raised to M. Then M is positive. We write this as 1 upon as denominator. Therefore, for example, 5 raised to minus 3. We write this as 1 upon 5 raised to 3. Here 3 is positive. Here 3 is negative. We write this as positive index, then it write as 1 upon 5 raised to 3. Then similarly, A upon B raised to minus M. Here also negative index. Then we change the numerator and denominator. A upon B write as B upon A. The denominator write at the position of numerator and numerator is write at the position of denominator. Therefore, A upon B is write as B upon A. Then we write the index positive. Here index is negative. Here index is positive. Similarly, 5 upon 7 raised to minus 3. Then we write this as 7 upon 5. 7 upon 5 raised to 3. 5 upon 7 raised to minus 3 is, interchange the numerator and denominator, that is 7 upon 5 and write the index as positive. पुन्हा एकदा आपण हे रिवाइज करूया. बघा, लॉज ऑफ इंडायसेस म्हणजे घातांकाचे नियम. A raised to M into A raised to N. मल्टिप्लिकेशन असेल, बेस सेम असेल तर इंडायसेसची काय करणार, ऍडिशन करणार. A raised to M plus N. प्रत्येकाचे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण घेतलेले आहेत आणि हे जे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत तुम्हाला पुस्तकामध्ये या लॉजच्या खाली दिलेले आहेत फिल करण्यासाठी. ब्लँक आहेत हे आन्सर्स, ते तुम्ही फिल करायचे आहेत, भरायचे आहेत. हा पहिला लॉ. सेकंड लॉ मध्ये तर बेस सेम आहे, a raised to m डिवाइड बाय a raised to n. बेस सेम आहे पण डिव्हिजन भागाकार आहे, तेव्हा काय करणार, इंडायसेसचं सबट्रॅक्शन करणार. a raised to m डिवाइड बाय a raised to n असेल तर a raised to m मायनस n. नेक्स्ट a into b raised to m म्हणजे ब्रॅकेट मध्ये दोन डिजिटचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन असेल तर ते आपल्याला सेपरेटली लिहिता येतं सेपरेट इंडेक्स वापरून. दॅट इज a raised to m into b raised to n. नेक्स्ट वन, जसं मल्टिप्लिकेशन साठी आपण सेपरेट लिहू शकतो तसं डिव्हिजन दिली असेल दोन नंबर्सची दोन डिजिटची, a upon b raised to m असेल ते सुद्धा आपण सेपरेट लिहू शकतो ऍज a raised to m upon b raised to n. जेव्हा दोन इंडेक्स असतील दोन पॉवर्स असतील दॅट इज a raised to m raised to n असेल. इथं दोन इंडेक्स आले, एका घातांकाचा आणखी दुसरा घातांक, तेव्हा काय करायचंय, दोन्ही घातांकाचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचंय. दॅट इज a raised to m into n mn मिळेल. इथं आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतलंय बघा, 4 into 5 20. आता हे जे दोन रूल्स आहेत ते अतिशय महत्वाचे आहेत. a raised to 0 is equal to 1. कुठलाही डिजिट असेल कुठलाही नंबर असेल त्याचा 0 इंडेक्स हा नेहमी 1 असतो. मग तो 1 घेतला 1 raised to 0 असेल तरी 1 येईल, 10 raised to 0 घेतला 1 येईल, 100 raised to 0 घेतला तरी 1 येईल. कितीही मोठी संख्या असली तरी त्याचा 0 इंडेक्स हा काय असतो, नेहमी 1 असतो. आणि कुठल्याही नंबरचा फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पहिला घातांक हा तीच संख्या असते. a raised to 1 is equal to a. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 1 raised to 1 1च येणार, 5 raised to 1 5 येणार. देन जेव्हा इंडेक्स हे निगेटिव्ह असतील तेव्हा काय करायचं, तर a raised to minus m असेल तेव्हा तो 1 अपॉन लिहायचा, जे डिनॉमिनेटरला लिहायचा आणि मग काय होतो, इंडेक्स हा पॉझिटिव्ह लिहिता येतो. a raised to minus m is equal to मिळेल 1 upon a raised to n. आणि जेव्हा अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला रेशनल नंबर दिला असेल, a upon b या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला नंबर दिला असेल त्याचा निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्स असेल तेव्हा या न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटरची इंटरचेंज करायचे, हे अदला बदल करायची. म्हणजे a upon b हा कसा लिहिणार, b upon a लिहिणार, म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्सचा पॉझिटिव्ह करून तुम्हाला लिहिता येईल. अशा पद्धतीने हे घातांकाचे नियम आणि त्यांचं ऍप्लिकेशन म्हणजे त्यावर आधारित उदाहरणं आपल्याला सोडवायची आहेत.